Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to give Microsoft Teams access to your microphone. At first, just go to your search and search for Teams. Then from the best matches, just open up Microsoft Teams. And after you have done that, just go to the top right to the three dot icon, which stands for Settings and More. Just click on it. Then just go to Settings. And after you're in Settings, you'll find a hidden panel over here. Just select and drag it to open it. From here, you need to go inside Devices. And after you're in Devices, you'll find Audio Settings at the top. From here, make sure to select the best speaker you have, as well as the best microphone you have. Also, if you want Microsoft Teams to automatically adjust your mic sensitivity, make sure to turn this on. Also, there's a Sync Device button. This lets you to use all buttons on your device. The Teams button will always work. You can turn this on as well. This will ensure if you have mute or some other button on your microphone, it's gonna allow you to use those in meetings. If you want, you can also use noise suppression. And after you have set everything from here, just minimize it. Then just go to search and search for settings. From the best matches, just open up settings. And after you have done that, what you have to do is just go to privacy and security. From here, scroll down a bit till you find microphone. When you do find microphone, just click on it. And after you have done that, make sure microphone access is turned on. And just find Microsoft Teams in the list. Make sure Microsoft Teams is also turned on. That means the app has access to your microphone. And after that is done, one last step you can do is right-click on your Start. And from here, just go to Device Manager. Just expand this section. From here, just go to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Expand this section. From here, find your mic, right-click on it, and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. As you can see, I'm on the latest drivers, so it did not update for me. If you're not on the latest one, just update your drivers. And just close everything. And basically, that is how to give access to your microphone to Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.